Let's take a look at this add-on. First, we need to install the add-on. I have it on my desktop. Here's the add-on. Drag it in to install. Then find it here. I'll switch to English. Okay. Now, when we're working with a model like this GT7, there are many openings, like the fuel filler opening, that are hard to handle. They take quite a while to make. This add-on solves the problem very quickly. First, join the model. Once it is joined, enter edit mode and merge vertices by distance. It says 191 vertices were removed. That means the merge worked. Do the same with the other part. Both parts need this step. Then subdivide the mesh. Ideally, I recommend separating these faces before processing them. It will run more smoothly. Okay. Now select the fuel filler opening. No, wait. First select the panel that we want to cut. Set it as Object A. Next, select the fuel filler opening and enter edit mode. Select one edge or the entire loop. Either works. I usually select a single edge. Then click this button. And it's done. Let's check how smooth it is. Okay, one click and it worked. For a fuel door opening like this, the surface is uneven on both the X and Y axes, so we use the normal direction. The normal direction. This one works the same way. It's very quick too. Select this, and after that, select an edge and click OK. It goes right in. You can see it is now a single object. And the surface is very smooth. Now that we've covered this case, let's look at a slightly more difficult one, the opening on the later GT86. This cutout is very complex. This part here. First, join the model again. We need to take this out. Then merge the vertices. Merge this part as well. Now, with this piece, if we use the previous method, let's try subdividing it twice. I recommend that for this part, one subdivision is enough. Don't use two. Two subdivisions make things much more complicated and can easily cause bugs. After selecting it, use the same method as before. For example, after clicking this, make the selection and choose an edge. Then drag it. Now, what happens is, wait, this. It looks like there are two. Along the normal direction. It cannot find the cutting surface, causing a bug. Undo that. Change the direction to the y-axis. Which direction is y? This is the y-axis. Set it to y. It's roughly this direction. Now cut along this direction. Okay, that's done.